What is going on, everybody? I know it's been way too long. Sorry, the sun's probably right in your face right now, but you gotta deal. It's Friday afternoon, well, evening, I guess. It's like 5:30. We're getting a late start to the weekend, but we're going to continue working on that LBZ. Yeah, you probably can't really see me right now. Anywho, actually got the Duramax loaded up with the RV for bringing up to Paris area, so let's get to it. And just real quick, guys, I know I haven't really been around for the last few weeks. A lot of stuff going on. And also 2 days ago, I don't know if you can tell, but my face is super swollen. I got my wisdom teeth out, so if I talk funny or if I'm not talking too much in the video, that's why. I got 2 on this side, 1 on this side. I only had 3, so yeah, I'm hurting a little bit, but it doesn't stop us. So a lot of stuff to do. We're gonna hit the road now, start making our way up to Paris. Alrighty guys, so we have made it up to my buddy Eric's house to continue working on the LBZ, which it is nighttime out. So we're working kind of late tonight. We're gonna grind tomorrow too, because we have a bunch of stuff to install. So we have to, let's start over here. This is a Danville 68 mil turbo, 3-inch downpipe, all WC fab, intercooler, piping, PPE, radiator, hoses, all this good stuff. PPE manifold, well, the manifold's already on the uppipes. We got a sump, and we have the turbo feed line relocation kit, and pretty much all the rest of the stuff. So I already started with the relocation kit. That's what we're working on right now. Let's see if this will focus. So you're gonna take the stock feed line out right here. I don't know, I need a light or something. Oh. So you can see, let me grab my phone. So right here is where your normal oil feed line will come up from the turbo, that braided line that comes up and over. You're gonna take that out, and there's gonna be a plug for the, perfect. There's gonna be a plug for this port right here, which you can see we already installed. And the cool thing is this oil feed line is gonna go kind of how, I know I didn't have a video on it because it was way before I started YouTube, but it kind of plumbs in how like a twin kit would plumb in. So it comes in to one of the oil ports. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys, but it's right over here, right down there. We'll show you more when we get into it, but it just changes where the oil comes from to the turbo. So the reason for doing that is normally the turbos are fed off, I forgot what journal it is. I want to say 5, but that could be way wrong. It comes off one of the cam journals, and it's already oil that's like hot and, you know, gone through the motor pretty much. So you're not really getting like super fresh oil to the turbo. So you want to relocate it over here. You're just gonna get fresher oil, hopefully a little bit cooler, all that good stuff. I don't really know. A lot of people say you should do it. I've never done it before or seen anyone do it, so we're gonna do it now and see how it runs. Alright guys, so if you'll focus now, you can see where we have this line plumbed in. It's pretty much right behind this, I forget what this thing even is, but it's kind of right underneath this. It's like comes out at 45 degree. You're gonna put the 45 bend on this side with the plug that they give you. And then it's just a steel braided line that runs up here. Put it on the turbo later, you know, kind of out of the way. We're gonna leave it off to the side first because it's pretty long, so we can run it over everything, so we don't have to worry about clearance issues for all the other stuff that's really like tight tolerance and all that good stuff. So I think at this point we are ready to throw the turbo in. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the relocate line, which we just talked about. I haven't just threaded on just to keep shit out of the turbo, but we have the turbo fully installed, which the oil drain, I perfectly hit the button. So back here is your oil drain line that you have. So these two 12mm bolts, or nuts I guess, that go on the studs with your new gasket. We have that installed. There's the 3 bolts for your turbo, which one is, I don't know if I'll be able to show you. One's right there. The other one is kind of hidden down yonder. And the last one is right there. So those are all 17 millimeter bolts, which you're going to want to use like a 12-inch extension, a swivel, and a short 17 mil, and you can get to all of those. We have those put in, all that good stuff. The vane position sensor's in now. We just haven't ran it yet. We're gonna go ahead and probably install the up pipes next. We got the manifolds already on, like I said. And yeah, pretty much that's it for the turbo. Super easy to install. Especially with the trans not being in, it gives us a lot of leeway to move the motor back and forth and kind of do it. But it is looking good with these powder coated manifolds, intake manifolds and Y-bridge and everything. So get that out of there. Everything's looking killer. So we're gonna keep plugging away for tonight and see what we can get done with, and we're gonna hit it hard tomorrow. So I'm not even sure what time it is. I think it's like 9 or 10 or something.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmines with my Benz, ooh, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop.
Alright guys, so as you saw yesterday, this is a new day now. We're just gonna wrap the turbo video up pretty much. We have all the up pipes installed, the turbo's in, everything's in. We're gonna wrap it up there for this video. We get some more stuff coming, but I'm gonna just break it up a little bit so it's not too much crap shoved in one video. But the turbo is in, everything's ready to go. And that's gonna do it for today. If you guys enjoyed this, you wanna stay with the build and keep watching all this stuff, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I know we don't really do too much of the LBZ stuff, but we have a full build going on right now, so there you go. We'll see you next time.